There it is, folks, total money. Right in Auckland. More auto helm problems. So, Mike Perham, he's 16 years old, I think. Sailing that around the world by himself, trying to become the youngest ever to go around the world. The original concept was unassisted, but he had to pull in a few times to a few places along the way to get a few bits and pieces fixed, which is a bit of a shame. But he's made it halfway around. And it doesn't look like there's anyone there, which is even more of a shame. I was hoping I could get a chat with him. But, we'll come back a bit later, see if we can spot him.